Hey, what's up guys, this is Vinay. I welcome you again in this tutorial. So in this tutorial we will see how we can run our test in Firefox browser. Okay, so we will use our same script and we will see how we will provide the path of Firefox browser, and then we will open our URL in that Firefox browser. Okay, so this is our package basic. So I will add one Python file here. Suppose the name is testfirefoxSelenium. You can see. Okay, so what I need to do before this, as we have done for Chrome browser and IE browser, because now we are using Selenium version 3.x. so any version after Selenium 3.0 we have to use Gecko browser, Gecko driver for Firefox. Now what used to happen before 3.0, we can directly navigate to Firefox browser, but now we have to provide path to navigate in Firefox browser. Okay, so this is our download page. So you can see now this is our Mozilla Gecko driver. So what used to happen previously for Mozilla Firefox, we can navigate without providing any path to our browser, like we are doing for Chrome browser and IE browser. For Mozilla Firefox also we have to provide path, and we have to use Gecko driver for Selenium version more than 3.0, after 3.0. Okay, so we have to download this Gecko driver. We have to click like this. I already downloaded this Gecko driver in my local. So this is where all Gecko driver releases, and you can select any version, Windows 64 or Windows 32 according to your OS and all. Okay, so you click here, it will get download. I already downloaded in my local, as I am doing. This one is Windows 64 Gecko driver. I will go there. Okay, so I will use this path for Firefox. Okay, so now we will switch to our PyCharm. Here what I will do, I will copy this code only. Okay, so this is our Chrome driver. So what I will do, I will change this name. Okay, so this is our Firefox name. After this is our method inside this class testfirefoxSelenium, as we are doing in our previous video. So here we have to provide our Gecko driver path. You can see here it's currently having IE driver path. So what I will do, I will copy. Okay, so I will paste this path. Here I will change this slashes. So this is our path for Gecko driver. Okay, because Firefox is using Gecko driver after Selenium 3.0. So here it would be, of course, Firefox, and we should change this name. Actually we are not using Chrome driver, it's just an instance. We can name it firefoxdriverlocation. We'll go there, we'll put this location there, and after this we will provide this path to our Firefox location. Okay, so now Then we will navigate to Google page, and here it's giving error because our class name we just edited it, and we will make a sensible object like TestFirefox. Okay, then TestFirefox method will call our method which is run test. Okay, so it should work. We have provided the path and all. Okay, let me run this code. Okay, it's giving error. It's saying not a directory error, which means the directory name is invalid. Okay, I have given correct path, but it's saying okay. So what I will do, I think it's not executing this path, so I will provide this parameter executable path. This you can see by intelligence it's coming. Okay, so in this path what I did, I provided this location. So I think my OS is not able to recognize this path, so it should recognize now. Let me right click and do run Firefox Selenium. It's running Firefox driver, then it should navigate to URL. Yeah, it navigated to our www.google.com. So yeah, this is our script which we created. Okay, so I'm closing this window. Yeah, exit go 0. So this is the only thing. This time we have provided this extra thing which is executable path, because our OS is not recognizing our Gecko driver. Even if you want to reduce the code, you can do one thing also. You can do this thing. You comment this code. You comment this code. If you are directly providing this path here only, this is your location. So what I am doing, I am providing this path here, so it should also work, right? Because you can directly give your path in your executable location. It should navigate to our URL. Yeah, this time it's connected google.com. Yeah, so it's all about this tutorial. We learn how we can use Firefox in our PyCharm ID with Selenium 3.x. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and give your comment in comment section. If you have any query, I will put that code in description also.